Hey everyone, today I'm going to share with you unboxing video, and this is the first time I bought from this brand, and this is from UK. So I'll show you what's in this box, and also I already opened this one. So I'm gonna show you this one first, what I bought from them, and oh, that's already ripped. Okay, it's shoes, and this one is heeled shoes, and it's in navy blue color, velvet, and it's size 37, and it goes along with the dress that I bought from them. And why I get this one, because it matched the dress that I'm going to wear on the wedding. And also this one is really comfortable, not too high heeled, which is perfect. And I prepare pointed one, but it's not really comfortable to wear that one, so I just decided to wear something like this that I can wear all day and that without hurting my feet. So this is what I get from them. So wait a minute. Hobbs and that one, and I shall show you the other one. Okay, and some of them I already opened it, but this one, by the way, is the dress that I'm going to wear, and it's just perfect for spring wedding. So this is what I get, and the shoes that really goes with that, and also this thing. By the way, I opened it before, but I'm gonna show you what's inside here. Ta-da! It's the first time I own this type of thing. The color is Fascinator, and it's matching with that dress. So now what I need is a bag to go with that, and it has it's like headband, and you just put it into your head, and lovely. And yeah, so that's the dress that I'm gonna wear for the wedding. What do you guys think? Will I go for white shoes, or white or cream shoes with white, a cream facinator and cream bag, or will I go for everything's like navy, this color, and the shoes, and also a bag which is in navy? So I'm still don't know if that's really perfect one, but actually when I wear it, it's really nice. The dress really stand out. So I think plain bag and plain fascinator and plain shoes is really go along with that. And actually I can probably also wear with cream shoes, cream bag, cream fascinator, something. Cream means beige, something like that. So, or white, I don't know, I'm still thinking. So please comment down below, what do you guys think, and what's really is this shoes and fascinator goes with the dress, and let me know by commenting down below, or would I pick cream color? Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.